Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman and Cat Kid, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey, as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 7. A bunch of stuff that happened next. Puppy advisory, exciting content. I finally figured out a plan to shut this movie down. Come on, kid.
Don't call me kid. Call me Cat Kid.
Why?
It's my superhero name.
We're not superheroes. We're super villains. We're the bad guys, remember?
Oh yeah. So pretend the bad guys, right?
Come on, Cat Kid.
Yay! What you doing, Papa?
I'm setting a trap
Why?
so we can capture Yole Caprese in this lasso.
Why?
So we can kidnap her.
Why?
If they don't have a star, they can't finish the movie.
Why?
Stop asking dumb questions!
Why?
Meanwhile...
Okay, people, we're about to shoot the big action scene. Are the mini motor scooters in place?
Yes, sir.
Is the dogmobile gassed up?
Yepper.
Are the robotic hot dogs ready?
I lost the controller.
You what?
I just set it down at lunchtime, and now it's gone.
You lost the controller? How could things get any worse?
How to operate the dogmobile.
Well, it took forever, but I finally got out of that hole. And I vow, here and now, to get my sweet revenge against that crazy dog-headed cop. Hey!
Meanwhile...
The robot controller is lost, the dogmobile is missing, and there's a hole in the side of my studio! How could they get any worse?
Oh, Sam. Hey!
Elaine!
Cosa succede?
Ha-ha!
Cosa succede? Cosa succede?
We got her! We got her!
Papa, don't hurt her.
Oh, don't worry. She'll be fine.
She doesn't look very happy. Let's put her back, okay?
No! We're the bad guys. We do evil stuff.
But Papa...
Look, the world is not a very nice place. It's rotten. It's unfair. It's horrible. And the only way to get ahead is to be even more rotten, more unfair, and more horrible. Check out our brand new motto. Thoughtless mayhem is best. Now, do you want to have some real fun? Cut her down. Use those steel claws of yours and slice the rope.
No, Papa!
Oh, come on! Don't be a baby. Cut that rope.
No!
Thou shalt obey. Thou shalt follow thy destiny. Thou shalt. Thou shalt. Thou shalt.
Thou missed.
Thou shalt.
Thou missed.
Thou shalt.
Thou missed.
Thou shalt.
Thou missed. Thou missed. Thou missed.
Thou.
Missed!
Z.
Hey!
Wow. Sweet. Cool, right?
Cat Kid, you saved us! Hooray for Cat Kid!
Little Petey, go, go, go!